Hi, Kenya. I'm looking at your portfolio. It looks good so far. All right, so I'm on here. I like your font. I like your playful mix. So, I like this layout too. I like how these little endpoints sort of meet. I like the way you've organized this. It's very nice. But there's so much type here, it seems to take prominence over the illustrations. Like, I want to see what that little badge says, but I can't read it. It's too small. So consider making these twice as big and maybe spread them out a little so people can see the details. Um, so as you can see, this is how it opened up for me. Let me see closer. All right, so it's hard to read that type a little bit. But that's okay. What I recommend that you do, though, is show the edges of the document because there's so much white space. I don't know when this stops. Like this line here, it sort of looks like it's the edge of the paper, but then this one dips deeper. So show the viewer the borders of the document. And again, you're a journalism major, you said, so the copy editing here is important to you. So I'm not going to tell you to keep it simple because that is probably part of your hiring attraction. All right, so is this the same brochure? That's the part I don't get. Okay, so this must be the same brochure because it was part of this. Is there a way for you to let the viewer know that these are all part of the same big project? Like this alone could live here. If you didn't want to show these any bigger, you could move these to the left and then show that mock-up to the side, and that would reduce these duplicated pages. Okay, so this is something different. And again, you could show these with the finished project. I think people aren't going to have a lot of patience to click through multiple pages of the same thing. So why not put the sketches next to the finished piece? And again, with this one, I would show the edges of the paper. You really can't tell what's going on. It kind of just looks like it's free floating. It'll be a stronger piece if you show it like stationary. I'm glad to see that drop shadow is gone. Boy, that one looks really good. That looks very professional. Also very professional. Again, your hilarious photo of your baby there. Everyone loves that. I do too. Great sketches. That looks good. Super good character design. Same comments about the edges of the paper. It's also beautiful. Okay, so overall, I think you have really good, strong work. I just think you could combine some of it, especially this group of sketches here. They're kind of not super clear, and I'm not really inclined to go anywhere else. So, combine them with something. But great graphic design, good layout. Well done.